The Minotaur, the name of that horror of a beast, still strikes fear into my heart, even though it's gone. I killed the Minotaur, and I'd do it again 1,000 times over to free myself, my father, and my people from the tyranny of King Minos. How long he terrorized us in Crete. Even in those years when his ships didn't darken our shores, he knew he still had power over us. Perhaps my father should never have made that foolish deal with him. 9 years of uneasy peace for 14 of Athens' children. It was too cruel. Then again, if things hadn't played out the way they did, I wouldn't have had the chance to destroy the threat once and for all. Talking of King Minos, I wonder how he's feeling now I've stabbed his precious beast through the heart. It put up a good fight, I'll give it that. The way it loomed out of the darkness was terrifying. Suddenly, after what felt like hours of silent sneaking through the labyrinth, it was upon me, snarling, roaring, charging. It was all I could do to point the sword in the right direction. The gods must have been with me, or that sword must have had magical powers, because before I could catch my breath, the beast lay dead at my feet. I've got to hand it to Princess Ariadne. She knew what she was doing with that ball of string. If I hadn't had that tied to the entrance gate, who knows if I would ever have found my way out of that cursed maze. She's clever, that's for sure. And beautiful. You can't deny that. But she's cunning. Bargaining like that for safe passage with us when we escaped in our ship. I've got no regrets about leaving her on the island of Naxos. She said she wanted to be admired for her beauty, and she'll be admired there all right. The islanders will probably love her so much, they'll never let her leave. That suits me fine. She was the biggest pain in the butt I've ever met.